just on spur of the moment, we decided to go to Brainerd for Pizza Ranch. So as soon as we got up to the stoplights there by the Sunset Cinema, our phones started going, "Brrr," tornado warning. And we're like, oh. And then it said Jenkins, Minnesota. We're like, oh, Jenkins here.
Ooh.
And then my daughter-in-law took a picture of the big wall cloud that was coming in. Went to eat.
Mason, where's your phone?
Got back. Drove right by because both signs were gone. Clamshell Beach and the Towering Pines signs were both gone.
Storm wouldn't have to. A storm wouldn't be strong enough. Just one storm wouldn't be strong enough to pull that tree out of the ground. I have weather books like
Yeah, you do.
like storms that it like
tornadoes,
it
blizzards.
shows like tornadoes got hit on other countries and stuff, like in 1978 or so.
Wow. He likes weather.
And look, the ball thing is
The ball thing is there?
It's taken off. Look.
Oh, no.
Wait, that's the swing thing. It's the worst thing of my whole entire life.
It's your worst thing?
This is the,
Or the most interesting weather thing?
yeah.
Most interesting?
I wonder if all the fish got scared.